Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my February 2023 BOXYCHARM Premium Box unboxing. I am so excited right now to be filming again. It, for me, feels like it's been so long since I've gotten on camera because I just ended 5 years of my daily video series here on YouTube and I have been missing filming, so I'm extra excited for this video right now. On top of the fact that I'm already always so excited for my BOXYCHARM Premium box, one of my many beauty monthly subscriptions that I get. And this is my first beauty subscription of the month, so that's always also very exciting as well because I subscribe to all of the BOXYCHARM and Ipsy boxes, plus I love subscription boxes, so there are others that will pop up here on my channel as well. But this is one of my favorites, so I'm so excited to get into another month of unboxings. And so usually here on my YouTube channel, I would unbox all of my beauty subscriptions and then every day I would try out one of the makeup products in a video. But now that I'm not doing this daily series, I'm like, what should I do? And I'm thinking I want to do a full face try on of all my BOXYCHARM products. And in this video, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do that in a separate video, but who knows? In the future, maybe these unboxings could also be a try on. But if you have any opinions or preferences for how you like to watch these types of videos, definitely let me know in the comments down below. But let's go ahead and see what I got in my box here. So, okay, on top here, usually, not even usually, always I get product information in BOXYCHARM, which I think is so exciting because it's a way for me to add up my total retail value. And there is nothing on this card. BOXYCHARM, treat your heart out. Epic news is coming. We've got something epic in the works and can't wait to tell you all about it. I am so curious what this is. Get excited for the biggest beauty news of the year. What could this be? Okay, now I'm very intrigued. But okay, now looking at my box here, on top is one of the private label Ipsy products, I think. The Refreshments, which I think is like an Ipsy exclusive. And I've actually never gotten any of the Refreshments through Ipsy. Maybe it's like you can subscribe for more like beauty or body care type products or skincare. But this is Velvet Body Cream, unscented. What? I mean, this is beautiful packaging and a big product, but I pretty much like to wear body lotions and creams for the scent. And this is unscented, which, you know, that's like good for skin and everything, but see, as I'm like trying to smell it, even though it's literally unscented. But that just is not as exciting to me. Like, I'm happy to get a body cream. I go through these so quickly, but an unscented one just is kind of like blah to me. Okay, next, let's see what I've got here. Ooh, from Ciate London, a brand that I get very often in Ipsy and BOXYCHARM. This is Liquid Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, okay. Now I'm excited about this. I love getting a liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Obsession, though. Let's see. I don't know if this shade is going to be the best shade for me. Yeah, okay. This is like a chocolate brown liquid lip. What? Like, I mean, I'll try this on. It's going to be out of my comfort zone, but I have not found a brown lipstick that I have felt looks that good on me yet, but I guess you never know. Definitely not a product that I would have picked out on my own. So far, both products I've pulled out, I'm not too pleased by. Okay, moving on to the next product. Ooh, this is from the brand Ace Beauté. Another liquid lipstick. The Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick in the shade Manifest. Oh, now this is pretty. But 2 liquid lipsticks. I mean, I love a liquid lipstick, but for a beauty subscription, that's not very good to get 2 of the same type of product. And here I am saying I want to do a full face, and now I'm just getting multiples of the same type of product. But oh my gosh, this looks so beautiful. Although the shade, once again, it looks very light, lighter than what I would probably choose on my own, and lighter than what I tend to find is flattering on me. But this might force me to try out both shades and find maybe a way that these can look good together if they don't look that great on me alone. But the packaging on this has me feeling very excited about this product. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, this is from the brand Ren Clean Skincare. Ever Calm Redness Relief Serum. Okay, normally I would not choose a skincare product, but I actually remember choosing this as one of my products for my BOXYCHARM Premium box. And yeah, it helps restore stressed skin, for sensitive skin. And if you're familiar with me and my channel, you have definitely heard me talk about the redness in my skin. It's one of my main skin concerns. It's a real struggle. Right now, I mean, look at how red my cheeks are. I am not wearing any blush. This is just the natural redness in my cheeks. So when I saw this as an option, I really wanted to try it out. So I'm hoping that this will really help to reduce redness. So when I do the full face of trying this makeup that I get in this box, I'll try out this serum as well, and we'll see if it really does reduce the redness in my skin. Oh, I'm very excited about that. Okay, the products that I'm pulling out are starting to get better and better. Next, ooh, we've got a palette with beautiful packaging. Secret Garden 3D Blush and Glow Palette from the brand Eloise. Ooh, I do love a blush. Oh my gosh. I was saying I love a blush palette, and then I saw what this looks like. The design on here is so beautiful. The colors, the shimmer, the sparkle. Wow, this it seriously, you saw it made me speechless. This is beautiful. Wow, I hope on camera it's showing. Yeah, there we go. As pretty as it looks in person, I am blown away. Okay, yeah, seriously, the products are getting much better now. The first two were not great, but from then on, I would say the products I'm pulling out are really great and really turning this box around for me. I was thinking this could be a dud of a box, but not anymore. I think I've pulled out 3 really great products. I don't know why I'm putting the plastic back on, but this is already now a good box in my opinion. And I still have one product left, and it is another huge palette. And actually this never happens. It's another Ciate London product. I don't know if I ever have gotten 2 of the same products from the same brand in a beauty subscription. But it's funny, when I pulled out Ciate London before, I said it's a brand that I get often in Ipsy and BOXYCHARM, and here I am getting 2 Ciate London products in this box. But I like the brand Ciate London. I love trying out their products, so I am happy to get another one and happy to see a giant palette. So yeah, this is the Royal Edition 24-piece eyeshadow palette. Okay, now I am so excited for my video where I'm going to try out all these makeup products and that skincare product. You know, I'll try all the products actually in that video. And wow, this is going to be so fun. Yes. Oh my gosh. The colors in this palette, I feel like they look so rainbow and random. It's not just a boring or even very cohesive looking color story, but I love to see so much variety. I love to also see a mix of pops of color, neutral, more toned down color. We've got some shimmer and glitter and sparkle, but also a lot of matte shades. The big mirror. Wow. This is, to me, such an exciting eyeshadow palette to get in this box. Yeah, this box, the unboxing really turned around and turned really good. These last few products have me so excited and happy with this box. And so normally I like to add up my total retail value, but even without adding it up, I think I probably pay $40-ish for the BOXYCHARM Premium box every month. And to me, this is so worth it for the products that I got. So to finish up this video, I'll do a quick recap actually of everything I got. So I got the Eloise Secret Garden Blush and Glow palette, the Ace Beauté Perfect Pout Liquid Lipstick, the Ren Skincare Redness Relief Serum, the Refreshments Velvet Body Cream, the Ciate London Liquid Velvet Lipstick, and the Ciate London Royal Edition Eyeshadow Palette. So if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on them. Let me know what you got in your February 2023 BOXYCHARM Premium box. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.